Is your Apex Legends connection as jumpy as a Pathfinder trying to grapple everywhere? Let's ditch that lag and find a better server on your PS5. First, completely close Apex Legends. Make sure it's not running in the background. Press the PlayStation button on your controller, highlight Apex Legends, press the Options button, and select Close Game. Now, head into your PS5 settings. Scroll to Network and select it. In the Network menu, go to Settings. Then select Set up Internet Connection. You'll see your current internet connection displayed. Select it. Now choose Advanced Settings. Find DNS Settings and select Manual. Here's where we're going to enter some public DNS servers. For primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and for secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS servers and can sometimes provide a more stable connection. Alternatively, you can use Cloudflare's. For primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and for secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1. Once you've entered your preferred DNS settings, restart your PS5. This is important. Now, relaunch Apex Legends. The game will now attempt to connect using the new DNS server, potentially giving you a better connection to the game servers. If Google DNS server improved your game performance, give this video a like. If Cloudflare DNS server is your go-to, hit subscribe. If you love both and just needed a fix, leave a comment. And if this made you smile, give it a like.